Hey everybody, it's PyroBear420 coming at you with another stash update. Alright, so today I went and made a pit stop at Shelton's Fireworks. Know what some of the stuff does, other stuff I picked up at random or advice of the salespeople, so here we go. I got two of these 4-packs of Dragonfire. I got two 6-packs of the Moroccan Madness, two 4-packs of Tiger Roaring, a pack of gold, and a pack of silver here. See, they're just little teeny one-shots. Then a 6-pack of Little Fiesta. We all know what that does. It's just like a little happy cake thing there. And Loud and Mighty. It's like a 6-shot mini artillery set. It's supposed to have pretty good pop. Witch Wizard. It's kind of like a cuckoo fountain mixed with a happy fountain and a little bit more crackle. Teapot fountain, just some quick little fountains for the kids. Pixie dust, not sure what they are, but grabbed a box of them. Everybody knows spinning balls. They're like, you know, everybody knows what they do. And we picked up two half bricks of Mississippi Gambler. Picked up two of the Combat Commando. Got one of these, one of those, got a China doll, a Viking, an El Toro, got a big El Toro, got two little Mad Hornets, two half bricks of Mobsters, picked up 4 of these little candles, Roman candle packs by Dominator. They're pretty cheap. 5 balls, but you get one with Pearl, one with Report, one with Crackle, and one with Tails. Figure it's worth trying. Picked up a couple little cakes here. Aerial Armada, Car Bomb, Nuclear Bomb, Thunderstorm. I got Merlin's Cure, and one 500 grammer here that they threw in. Have to see what it does. But for a spur of the moment, unexpected little pickup, got a variety here. Gonna try out some of these Shelton products. Maybe have to get some more next year. Gotta check them out, see how their quality is. Thought you guys would like to see my little pickup. And as always, be safe. Don't blow your fingers off.